Here we go, it's 10 o'clock, just had a play. Big Jackie Walker, as always. Yeah, looking around it. Very fucking crispy. Oh, look at the mullet in the wind. Here we go, just heading down to Burrinjuck. Gonna go troll around and catch us some Murray cod. Done it, he reckons. Oh, done it. Wow. Here we go, folks. Just got ourselves a little fish. Yoo-hoo! What's wrong with him? Plus, he didn't eat it. Something's swimming straight to you. Bro. Bro, it's coming straight to you. No. Come on. Oh, shit. Bro! Brother! Are you fucking kidding me? Bruh! That's a surface lure. Yes, baby! Oh, that's fucking so hot. Oh, he's solid. Yeah. As if you caught one. Yeah. Surface lure fucking carp. Bring him up. Oh, straight in. Yo! 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 Fucking caught a cod! Oh, yeah. Baby.
He $26 lure plate. Oh, my hook's only just stayed in.
Yeah. Oh. Not fucking shabby.
Yeah. 5.25.
Tell us how you caught it, big boy.
You fucking expensive fucking cicada.
That
lure.
is a very
surface lure.
You were telling me that you were bringing him. I'm like,
Oh, one just jumped back there.
Slappers and slappalettes, how are we? Yep, good fucking story. 348. Yeah! Look at this sexy boy. Yeah. He netted him. Look at him.
Oh no, I'm knocking your elbow over.
Woo! Oh baby, that's fucked. Oh, let's go. Get him sorted. Turn the motor. No, you need a photo of him, yeah? Don't you want a photo of him?
No, it's your fish.
Bitch.
Fuck yeah.
Look at him. Oh, come here, baby. We love you. Look at him. Does that work? Not bad?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oi. It's Steve Irwin, the crocodile hunter. Oh, he's on the tree, you could get him now. On the tree, you won't. On to Zena. Baby! Good day family, good day Quinn. Bloody well hope this ain't the last video you ever see, but oh shit.
We're dying.
Rough fucking day to be us.
We'll find our bodies.
We're drifting the right way though.